Hey, sorry, I got my windows open and you're gonna hear traffic going by, but let me show you what's going on here with the market. This is called the bull market support band for Bitcoin. As you can see throughout history, when it holds it, when it doesn't hold it like it did here, well, to put it very simply, when the green line, which is the 20-week estimated moving average, is above the red line, which is the 20-week moving average, it's a bull market and altcoins are going to the moon. When the green line is under the red line, it's bad for altcoins and Bitcoin's going down, obviously. So the bull market support band is a great indicator. You can see it actually held it here, bounced a little bit, fell through. This was the May 2020 Corona dip. Just a fun fact. Bitcoin alone, it'll never do this again, but it is up 11x in 756 days, so like a little over 2 years. A little over 2 years. Maybe close to the 4. Anyway, I'm getting off point. We lost it here in May and went to some very low digits. That's where you scoop up. That's where you scoop it up underneath the support band. It bounced off it here. Got a great bounce. Fell right through it here. And the result of that, it came back up to test it 3 times here. Every candle here was a whole week. So right now this is this week, and it's a flash crash. It's definitely a flash crash, and it's testing the bull market support band as we speak. Let's draw a line right there. And go to the 15-minute chart and see that we're right on it. We are exactly touching it. We were below it, so we are dipping below it, but wicks are allowed. Candle closes are not. Weekly candle closes are not. So this week's candle ends. This weekly candle ends in 4 days and 8 hours. And if the price is above 44K, we're gonna get a golden cross. Can I zoom in on it there? Turn auto off. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna get a golden cross. I mean, hypothetically, we're having a golden cross because the green is now over the red. But technically, it needs to close. The weekly candle needs to close above this price, or there is no golden cross. It may be able to close a little lower. I'm sure it can close a little lower. There's some wiggle room there because it's replacing candles from back here. So this is just a flash crash. You could see the trend of crypto is just up. And if you actually look at total, this is the total crypto market cap of every single cryptocurrency that is accounted for. There are thousands that are not accounted for, and that's $2 trillion. We are bouncing. That's quite lovely how it is bouncing. It is the same that the total crypto market cap is correlating with Bitcoin exactly here. Little bit lower though. There's no golden cross happening yet, so it's actually underperforming a little bit at the moment. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance, which, you know, in my other videos since this occurred, I said 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I mean, the market blessed. This is Bitcoin dominance going down. Going down is good, and I don't want to bore my regular viewers by going over why again. But basically, as Bitcoin loses dominance, that means other coins get bigger. And we got 1, 2, 3 lower highs, 1, 2, 3 lower lows. That's nice. What else here? Phantom. Nice flash crash, man. I'll tell you what, I'm buying at these levels. Phantom, AVAX, apecoin. I'll tell you what, I'm buying at these levels. Because mama didn't raise no fool. There's also total DeFi. DeFi market cap. Let's see. DeFi. Crypto total DeFi market cap. So this is just DeFi protocols on record. So remember that there's more. See, we're on the weekly, and everything really respects the 20-week moving average. And you can see DeFi is doing quite better. It's over its well, there's no golden cross, so Bitcoin has been pushing up better, but currently DeFi is a little more overextended from its baseline. The baseline being the 20-week moving average. Let's look at Phantom altcoins. And I get a sense I'm not seeing them all here on deck screener this morning. But when you see red on Phantom alts, it is fantastic. It's a fantastic opportunity. So instead of looking at what I have here on my watch list, let's jump straight into auto's only down 1%. I'm not sure about this project. I think it's a scam. I don't want to say that. I don't know if it is or not. But that's quite a drop. $15 to 2. Put it on the daily. See what if it's just brand new. Yeah, that's excusable. That can happen. It could still be a good protocol. I don't know. I didn't do the research, but I guess I did make a profit on it when it launched. Anywho, I like FXM. It's back up 3.35% in the hour. I like FXM a lot. I can't tell you why, but it's down 23% right now. And wow, something tells me that's a good opportunity for one of these bounces. Boing, boing, boing. You know what I mean? Anyway, I said that we were going to look at everything before my watch list, and now we're looking at my watch list first. STG, Stargate, boom. Bought more already. Buying more again. Gotta have it. It's, we got it down here. MVD is on just like such a straight move. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. What is 1.5 million? That's sufficient. 320k liquidity. That's sufficient. Look at this big old wick. Bullish. How do I put this on super alert? Where's my fire section? bullish. MVD. I'm gonna make a video about this. Let me just bookmark to the bookmark bar. All right. Hex down only 10% there. How's it been doing? Not too well. Not too well at all. It's not good. Look at that high wick. Up to 97 cents for no damn reason. Nobody, I don't know if anyone actually got that. WeGo has been going up. My joke about WeGo was WeGo make it. And this dip looks great to me. This dip looks good enough for me to DCA into. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I like the protocol. LQDR, let's take a look at the chart. These damn trucks. Let's take a look at the chart. Yeah, look at this. It's already wanting to pump again. Yeah, LQDR is good. It looks like it may have bottomed because it came up. Pat made some new local highs, like 1, 2, 3 of them, and then it made a higher low, then a lower high here. But the whole market did. So I'm bullish, but I'm bullish on LQDR long term. Staked boo. I'm super bullish on. You can stake. Oh, look at that! Gotta buy that dip. You can stake it for solid. What is the percentage you can get? Let's see. Show you something. You can stake it for solid. Don't make me connect. It'll still show. Stake boo. And then you exchange for X boo, and you can come down here, and not only does your X boo gain value against boo, so when you finally go to cash your X boo back in for boo, you get more boo back than you put in. You also earn, what's the nice APRs on here? Highest APR is heck, but it's 41% APR for solid. I like that a lot. Let's see if they add anything new here. Tomb's here now. LQDR. Higher paying ones. MST. I'm bullish on that. I have a stake in XBOO in the MST, and I have a stake in XBOO in the solid pools. I'm considering the LQDR too, or just and I keep compounding. Definitely keep compounding. Or no. I take the solid rewards and stake them elsewhere, but I compound the MST and the more MST. Just want to be exact on that. All right, hope I'm not boring you guys. Pegmaker kind of Pegmaker had an error. The boardroom, the twop was wrong. Actually, where'd my money go? It's just not loading. Let me give it a minute. Oh, I'm not connected. We'll see what it does. I bet it's nothing right now. It's probably a good buy if you're into it. I don't know what Slurp is. I'll look into it and report back to you. And the spirit sin spirit is down to 300%. What did there was some alpha on where Scarab was putting their emissions in the What the Fork AMA with the Pharaoh from recent. Let's move along. Comment if you know what I'm talking about. Harry says he's excited to announce there will be Tomb staking on Tomb Chain. This is a real thing, and we're going to look into this. I'm going to make a video on it. I'm following this. How could you not follow this? This is going to be epic failure, really. I mean, in all reality, we should be helping this guy, but he has not acted in ways that we can have a clear conscience of, to put it lightly. Is this Tomb Finance's liquidity for Tuesday, 18 hours ago? That's good. Good. I hope it. I love their remake. Why doesn't mine look like that? When I go to Tomb, it doesn't look like that. I still got the same old Tomb. I got a little toggle button at the bottom too, like Scarab. No. So I don't know how to turn on the awesome. I don't know why they do that. They show the nice. They show the nice one on. How much is locked? Down to 300 million. That's still a whole lot more than other seniorage protocols. And oh my God, is Tomb overpegged? Tomb is. I want to make sure I'm not. That does it. Okay, I guess because Phantom Flash crashed, Tomb could be overpegged for the moment. It held up better than Phantom. Okay, what's Phantom? $1.34, and that's $1.37. Congratulations, Tomb is overpegged. What about Scarab? What are they doing now with the peg? Scarab peg is important to me because I have like thousands of dollars in bonds that need to be cashed back in at some point. And I don't know why that's not loading. Probably because I need to connect my wallet. But normally it shows anyway. Okay, it's only half a peg. Well, 0.6 peg. That's what it was. I don't know how Tomb must have got a big pump. No. How is this? It just did. I guess it just didn't drop like Bitcoin did. I mean, like Phantom did. It held up a lot stronger than Phantom. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Tomb might be a good buy right now. Because only Phantom elitists like us don't like Tomb. Most people just coming into Phantom, most people in the market, they hear about Tomb, read about Tomb, and it's their first introduction to a seniorage protocol. And seniorage protocols are awesome. So I like the boo dip. Boo dip. Gotta buy more sex. Or earn more sex. It's more important. Write this down. Especially you fellas. Earn more sex. Gotta get more sex, and the best way to do that is to earn it. Brush. Always been bullish on Brush. I think it's just the most. I do not say that it is the best NFT exchange on Phantom, or that it will be the biggest NFT exchange on Phantom. I just think it will be the first pumping NFT exchange on Phantom because it is the most well-known NFT exchange on Phantom. Props to people that are still watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, become a member. It's really worth it. Let's see. Let's go to Phantom. 24 hours. All dexes. And what did the worst? Let's ignore the ones that are... 2 share dropped 32%. That's tough. Let's see now. And I mean, emissions end this month, like now. It should continue this uptrend. I think 2 shares is a good buy. I think 2 shares is a great buy. That's amazing. Because I know where the price of this is going to go. If that community is successful, emissions end. No more 2 shares are going to be printed. I'm not sure the exact date, but it's this month. And there's going to be so many more use cases coming up for it. It's they partnered with Tomb, and they're going to be part of this Tomb chain thing too. So they're going to have exposure there. 2 share and 3 share. I'm bullish on. Let's go back to the full list. Grail fell a lot. Okay, that makes sense because it's just a single stake. You get a whole bunch back token. That happens to those. I wish I could remove duplicates. Like, it should only give me the most, like the highest, the pair with the most volume or liquidity instead of showing me so many doubles. Scream. Pay could be Tomb itself could be a great buy, but Scream, Stargate, it dropped a lot. Look at that, nice, because it pumped a lot. So Stargate, definitely jotting that down. Beats, I've never bought Beats, and I really think I should, because everyone I talk to, and let's face it, let's look at the chart. Beats has a really nice history here. Let's look at the daily. Ooh, well, I can't. Ooh, it had a really nice beginning. That dropped a lot, and this is not. Ooh. Let's put it on a 4-hour, get a better perspective. This is too young for the daily chart. Even the 4-hour chart, too young. All right, so this is Beats. There's where it bottomed before. We'll see what happens. I think this could get a great bounce though, because check out the price range. $34% just to get a new local high. Just to. Is it not working? Yeah, that's a great dip. I think I would get my hands all over that. I don't know. I just never did. I never got into Beats. Spirit never got into. But that took a huge dip. I've always contested that Boo will outperform always Spirit, and I stand by it. 7 share. Why'd you gotta be at the end of the list? It's just all Rap Phantom. Rap Phantom took it hard. So a lot of the Phantom altcoins dropped less than Phantom. Isn't that some shit? So after we get past all these duplicate wrapped Phantoms, we have Sex up there in the middle, just tracking Phantom, it seems. What happened there? Got Sex there in the middle. More Rap Phantom. There's Boo. down 11%, while Spirit is down 14%. Definitely want to scoop Boo. Check out this chart. That's an uptrend, baby. And that's a dip you can't deny. That's a dip you can't not buy. Because the single stake pools to earn more altcoins that are going to 10x themselves. It's crazy. It's crazy. If you put your mind to it, man, this shit is the greatest time to be alive with with an understanding of DeFi. I like PGK. It's only down 8% today. That's awesome. I like PGK. I don't even think the game came out yet. Let's check. Penguin cards. I have a video on it. Put it right there. Look at that nice dip. I mean, it was on a little downtrend because of all the gains it made. I didn't make a video about it and buy it until around here. It's been doing well. Been doing very, very well. So penguin cards, let's check it out. Up to 2,499% APY. Register, wait list. I'm already on the wait list. Staking. You could stake now, I believe. And I do believe I have all of mine staked for 30 days. I'm going to check on that because that's a 275% APR. Does the more? No. The max is 500. Why does it say up to? Oh, there we go. No. Why does it say up to? Okay, I guess it fluctuates. So that's the highest it goes up to. So look at that. So there's the profit calculator. Gonna do the 90 days. Staking 1,000 will give you over a 2x. 2.233x. Beautiful for 90 days. And if the game is any good at all, it's gonna pump. And to me, let's look at it looks like Mario Kart. I've seen trailers. It looks like Mario Kart. So as long as it's not a scheme, I think it's going to be a great winner, and I'm holding it. Let's get back to the bunch. What happened to the chart? When didn't even get to the middle of the losers. Well, we got to the middle. We got past the losers. We were getting to the break evens. So when you come to this page on dexscreener.com/phantom, you definitely want to come down here and go to the last 24 hours. But it is fun to look at what's going on in the past 5 minutes. Multi just wants to keep pumping. It's up 20% in the day, 3% in the hour, 2% in 5 minutes. So any wants to pump. Just wants to pump. This is something I held way back. I held from about, let me just see here on the daily, because I would check I was on AnySwap early. So I went from here to here and sold. I knew it was, we went from like $10 to 30. I knew this was the blow off top. So I sold it there. It has dropped ever since. But recently it has been pumping because it really is the crossroad right now for the Omni chain. That's something I'm just calling it lately. The Omni chain. Just the interoperable, anything that bridges things. And we're definitely getting into Harmony, Avalanche, Osmosis, Aura, Moonripper, all of them. Phantom is just the one we're waiting for Coinbase to boom, and really it's gonna pay off. Don't all the long term Crypto Lodge listeners, Jam, you're probably still listening to this. Um, you know, stick with this Phantom thing. It's gonna work out very well. But we do buy other things: apecoin, AVAX. I need to sort by 24-hour. All right, so the top. Let's go start at the top now. AnySwap T-share. T-share just pumping because suddenly Tomb is overpegged. So T-share is pumping. That's amazing. That can't be because of it's gotta be Harry pumping it. I don't know, man. But historically, the money pumped into T-share stayed in T-share. But we got so many people holding their T-share for so long now, so angry with their T-share and their Tomb, that they just want to sell at break even, or even close to break even, or even remotely something where they think, oh shit, I better just sell now and make some of my money back, because it dropped so much. For people that got in at the top, the Crypto Lodge OGs here, remember we were in Tomb under $1,000. And we got out. I got out at $21,000 T-share. In under 1,000, out over 21,000, and that was back when the APR was like 20,000, 30,000 per APR. Crazy. Back with the high APRs on Tomb Masonry, but I did pure Masonry, and I just kept compounding the Tomb back into more T-share, and I kept buying the T-share dips. It was so beautiful. It really made my portfolio what it is today. But Harry done messed it all up. The community depends on him too much to inject money into it, which is obviously what's happening today. Bitcoin can't be crashing. Phantom can't be crashing while T-share and Tomb are going up. They're injecting money into it. They, as in Harry and the Treasury. The Treasury is Harry. And that can't be in a decentralized system. I'm going to look into this UST and wormhole more. I'm going to look into this DEI more. And there was this one on SolidX that's at the top. Slurp. See what that is. LQDR didn't drop too bad, or it's bouncing back a little bit. Let's see which one it is. Didn't drop too bad with Bitcoin. Holding up nice and strong, LQDR. Very well. Now, there goes WeGo. There goes 3Share. OXD. Based. I don't know about this guy, but it's back up. It's the ones that are trying to jump on the hour right now are the ones I'm paying attention to a little bit. So let's pop those out. T-share up 12% in the hour. Multi-chain. AnySwap up 10% in the hour. WeGo up 4% in the hour. Only down 5% on the day. AnySwap is up 23% today. That's amazing. On such a bad day. It's been pumping for a while. Right through the dump. Based. Up 2%. That could be a little fluke there. STG. I really want to believe that this is gonna pop back up from here. really want to think that, and I do think that. I think it's on a trajectory to a new high, $5 soon. And that's it. Let's see what Bitcoin, for those who are still watching here. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing at the end of this video, because it's like an hour long. Still holding strong at fell. I have the line drawn at the bull market support band. Let me put it at the very bottom of the bull market support band to be fair. It looks like we may not be holding it, which no big deal. We can, like I said, you can wick below all the way down to 30K as long as the week closes up around here. We're getting that golden cross. The weekly, look at these wicks. If you were, in that week and saw it go all the way up here and then go all the way back down here to close, you know what I mean? It does it all the time. Long wicks. So we might have a long wick down, but close up here still within the next 4 days and 8 hours and still get the golden cross, which would be lovely. That's it. Thanks for watching. Memberships are fantastic. The membership perks are fantastic. They're worth the money. There's only one size fits all, because I don't want to not give people access to certain things. I want everyone to get everything. So everybody gets everything for the same price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with darker lights and the lights behind me on. This is not normal.